Wednesday, August 14th, 2024. Saint Maximilian Kolbe. Focus. And if he refuses to listen even to the church, let him be to you as a Gentile and a tax collector. Saint Matthew dwells at length on Jesus' teaching on correction within a church community and on community prayer. He places this passage between teachings on humility, on not despising others, on God's love for those who go astray, and on the need to place no limits on our forgiveness. Correcting others at the best of times is a very delicate task. When the need arises for the act of correction at the level of a church community, it must invariably be conducted keeping these teachings of Jesus firmly in mind. Because God has graced us with the gift of free will, Jesus concedes that there is a possibility that the subject of a referral spurns the decision arising from the intervention. So when Matthew describes Jesus as speaking of treating a stubborn member as a Gentile and a tax collector, he is effectively telling the members of the community that their obligation ends there. They must leave the unrepentant one to God with their conscience clear. However, whenever the church community prays for God to forgive a sinner, Jesus asserts that the prayer will be heard in heaven. Fruit. For conflict resolution in my parish, I will use the principles of humility, love, and forgiveness.